I had to come on 15 because it was real rough and tough. Happy belated Daddy Day, Mr. Bird, 281, right back. Come on.
Yeah, right. What you 10-12 do? You say you 10-12 do the back. Hey, 281.
I'm on my way to going to Redwood, Mississippi. I'm on my way going to Redwood, Mississippi. Hey, Bird, I'm on my way going to Redwood, Mississippi there, break.
Yeah, on that Redwood. Yeah, no doubt about it. That way you sounded good. You see, I be in Humboldt, Tennessee. I'm about 10 miles north of Jackson 10 there, right?
Well, I tell you what, it sounds like you up here in Natchez, Mississippi with me, man. Hey, Big Bird, sound like you up here in Natchez, Mississippi with me. Hey, Big Bird, 281, I'm trying to get it back to the Smoky Hills, breaker.
10 right, no doubt about it. 281, you said sound like I'm in Natchez, Mississippi. No doubt about it. You can take care of it while you're driving that thing. Hey, 281, get 350 here. It's a 364.
Hey, 350. You and Big Bird all up in my radio. Come on up in my radio. Hey, 350. 281 said you and Bird all in my duck plugging radio. Hello, 350, 281, right back. Come on.
Hey, 281, I got the Watergate rolling. Hey, 281, I got the Watergate rolling. Hey, 281, while I'm cruising this freshly built 29LX. 281, 350 in Georgia 6. Come here.
That duck plucker sounding good. Hey, 350, that duck plucker sounding good. That's my radio or that's for somebody else? Hey, 350, 281 said, come here.
Right back, 281, no doubt about it, man. Mother Nature is not in my favor at the moment. Hey, 281, Mother Nature is not in my favor at the moment, but I got you in my radio. Hello, 281, while you cruising that doggone diesel wagon. 281,
Hey, 350, I'm down here in Natchez, Mississippi. Hey, 350, I'm down here in Natchez, Mississippi. I'm on my way going to Redwood, Mississippi. Hey, 350, you got Mother Nature. Come on.
Right back, 281. You say you down passing through Mississippi? I got you in my radio, man. That's what I was thinking. I had doggone. I can hear Texas and Mississippi at the same time. And I got 281 in Mississippi. Hey, 281, I got the Watergate rolling. Come on.
There it is right there. There it is right there. Hey, 350, 281, I'm trying to get on that Watergate, and I don't want to be late. Hey, 350, I got a gate rolling as well. 350, 281, Natchez, Mississippi. Let's ride.
Oh, no doubt about it, man. I'm going to put this gate up in JD so they can hear that doggone diesel train. Hey, 281, I'm going to put this gate up in JD so they can hear that doggone diesel train. Hello, 281, 350 with this 35-volt 2-pill sitting back.
That duck plucker working, 350. Hey, 350, I'm going to put this gate on JD Watergate as well, man. Hey, 350, you smoking coming down here in Natchez, Mississippi. Hello, 350, 281. I want to know is that's my radio there, break.
Hey, right back, 281, I got you on the gate, man, no doubt about it. Hey, 281, while we just cruising this 2-pill and this long 5 element. 281, 350, we're going to shut this gate down. We got to get to the doggone workbench. Bye, 281, be careful on the wheels. 350, Georgia, gone. I'll see ya.
Bye. Hey, 350, you smoking, cotton picker. Sounding real good. I hope that's my radio. Hey, 350, I hope that's my radio. I hope that's my radio. Hey, 350, while you about to shut the gate down. 281, I'm northbound, hammer down, bite.
Right back, 281, I got to talk to my radio for a second, too. I think it was 364, if I ain't mistaken. got the volume cut down on this doggone receive on this 29 to keep this gate clean. Who is that trying to ease up the water? Got 350 wants to know.
That ain't nobody but 281. They gonna have a hard time. That ain't nobody but 281. 8350-281 said, don't worry about them mud runners. 350-281 said, come here.
Hey, 361 got you dead, man, with 281 come off the mall. He was tailing up with you, no doubt about it. It's making it hard to pull you out, but I got you at the end of that key. Hello to you, 364 in Baton Rouge. 350 in Georgia said, I got the gate rolling.
I'ma make it rough, I'ma make it rough, I'ma make it tough, I'ma make it hard. 8350-281 gonna make it hard for him. I'ma make it hard for that base station. 8350 worldwide 281, worldwide 281. 350-281 is gone.
Hey, 364, I had to wait for 281 to get off the key, man. He was saying too. Hey, 364, I heard you in my radio when 281 came out. It was Dozen Bell, Limbo, lined up, and a whole bunch of keys. Buy that 364, buy it. 281, 353. Hey, 281 workbench, I'll see you. He was one of those.
Hey, look at that right there, 350. Hey, 350, I'm gonna get on top right now. Hey, 350-281 gonna raise to the occasion right about now. 8350 worldwide 281. 8350. Me and my diesel train in the mag got down.
281, you on top of the cut line. 281 out of your metro. 281, you don't too much noise in the back of here. Hello, 281, that might be the cut line. 281. Hey, 281. I got the deal. 350 gone. That's your mega.
I heard your audio maker. I heard your audio maker. All right, that 350 audio maker came up in my duck plucking radio like he owned that cotton picker. Hey, 350, take care, be blessed. Hey, 350 audio maker 281. Man, this diesel train, let's ride.
281. Come on now, you a man. We ground plane, hell man. Audio maker that back.
Happy late daddy day to you, audio maker. Hey, audio maker, I gotta talk to my radio man, and you got my radio towed up to the floor. Hello, audio maker, 281 in the mag, got down.
Cool, hello, Jesus. Hey, still man, I thought you was on base, but you got to pick up foot, but that 60-pound ram up in the car. Hey, still man, you got the mind made up coming through the Cadillac. You get it?
Hey, 350-281 said, where you went? Hey, 350-281 said, where did you go? 350, breaker.
Hey, Mike, the dishes out to Smoky Hills, that break. Hell, man, I won't come and take my audio like that. Gotta copy on weather, man. Oh, cool, hello, Jesus, please. Shoot your bill, Tennessee is gone.
I bought a cool hand Luke in Tennessee. I bought a cool hand Luke in Tennessee. 281 in the Magnolia. Hey, cool hand Luke, 281. Bite, bite, bite. Hey, 350-281 said, where you go? Oh, 350-281, breaker. Hello, audio maker. 281 got this gate rolling. Audio maker 281 said, come here. about that bird down there in the Smoky Hills? How about it, bird 281, break?